we are going to now launch something that's really exciting, which is called on Max7, and it's AI that's now on Max7, and it's completely free. And it enables you to create a program for your children, your youth, your family, as well as make games. And in fact, I'm going to just stop sharing for a second. And Fraser, I don't know if you're willing to be spotlighted here, but Fraser, who is the very smart genius who programs all of Max7, is been the one since the AI Academy of building these program builders. So thank you, Fraser, for doing it. And what we're going to do is maybe Fraser might talk as I share this screen. So this is how it works. And we'll just do a very quick demo. But in the Academy WhatsApp group, you'll see the links to it. But this is what Fraser is working on. It's in a beta form. And as you know, or you might know, Max7 has been going since about 2007 to try and equip the churches of the world with resources completely freely. And we've done that as people have shared resources. There's about 11,000 different files and resources on Max7. This is the first time then you can use AI to create a program on Max7. So if you open it up, you see here you can describe your audience. So I'm going to say 7 to 11-year-old boys. What else I might say? They are very active and have a short attention span. So I describe my audience. And then I can say, what am I going to learn? Well, I'm wanting to learn about the story of Palm Sunday. And I could put in a story, or I could put in a Bible reference or whatever. My program goes for 30 minutes. I've got that. So I'll just put in 30 minutes. And then what's my space? Well, I have a very small room. And any special notes, I'm going to say we have no equipment. And we some of our boys are special needs learners. That's right, isn't it, Fraser? So what I do is I just describe it like this. Actually, Fraser, does this this goes to ChatGPT. It draws on that, and it also draws on some of the learning of Max7 itself. So I'm going to hit that, and if you want to say something, Fraser, feel free.
Yes, so this uses ChatGPT as a back end. We connect to it through the programming interface. But I've seen Simon introduce AI to people, and he often demonstrates to people that you can go to ChatGPT and create a program. So we've basically taken that idea, wrapped it up in this, but it also will look for Max7 resources that might fit your program. And if it finds any, it may not in this case, but it recommends particularly videos and songs as part of your program. But as you can see here, it has created a program which hopefully adds up to 60 minutes, 30 minutes, sorry, where it's listed step by step, section by section, different activities you can do. It's given you a name and instructions for each activity. And consider this a first draft. I mean, with all AI, you never just take the first thing it gives you and say, that's it, that's fantastic. What you want to do is read this, and you can take it and change it yourself, or if you see something wrong with it, you can go down to this box that Simon has where you can refine your program by making suggested changes. And Simon could suddenly say, I want an underwater theme. Oh no, he's changing something else. We discovered we have a ball. Okay. Now, someone's just asked, Damaris has just asked, can it do the program in Spanish and other languages? The answer to that is almost. What you're looking at here is a very first draft of the system. It's a stable version that I made sure is working so that you can play with it today. The version that I have ready to publish will support other languages, but I'm not going to post that till next week. So from sometime next week, It will work with other languages, but not quite yet. You'll find there's a few bugs and mistakes and errors in the current system because this is still a testing system. We'd love you to have a play with it though and let us know how you go. But next week there'll be a new version which will be even better. And Simon, you were just showing the revised program. You moved away. I was going to point out. Can we have the URL? Okay. Can somebody? I haven't got a keyboard on me. Simon or someone, could you post the link in WhatsApp? It was posted onto the video, but it's look. Because I'm on screen, I won't quite type it, but I'll type it in a moment if no one else does.
I've got them.
Okay, there's someone wants to post it into the chat. But what we would love, this system is not like you are the first people to look at this. It's available, but it's very much the beta. We're not releasing it in the way that we're advertising it to people. We would love people to play with it and test it. So if you use it, share your experiences with the group. Tell us how you used it. Tell us if it was useful for you. Tell us if it makes a mistake or does anything that makes you say, oh, that was a bad decision it made, because the more feedback we get, the more clever we can make it for future.